house of stone can rise so high, but without respect, love slowly dies. It's not the roof, it's not the door, it's how we treat each other more. Every heartbeat wants to know, I am seen, I can grow. A gentle word can heal the pain, like summer sunshine after rain. Lay your pride upon the ground, lift each other, don't tear down. Every soul was born to shine, love grows where respect aligns. Speak the language of honor, let your kindness lead the way. Where respect is living, love will never fade away. Hand in hand we'll build tomorrow, brick by brick and day by day. A home where hearts are treasured is a home where love can stay. When I stumble, don't condemn. Help me rise again, my friend. Wisdom speaks with gentle grace. Mercy wears a smiling face. Build a bridge where forgiveness stands, not with anger but helping hands. Every lesson wrapped in love brings God's blessings from above. Pride can break what love has made. Choose the light instead of shade. Every promise starts anew when respect is shining through. Speak the language of honor, let your kindness lead the way. Where respect is living, love will never fade away. Hand in hand we'll build tomorrow, brick by brick and day by day. A home where hearts are treasured is a home where love can stay. To be cherished too. Two hearts walking side by side, growing stronger, faithful, true. Children learn from what they see. Love and unity, plant the seeds of dignity. Harvest peace for every family. Let compassion fill the air. Where respect is breathing, God's own love is waiting there. Every heart deserves its value, every soul deserves its place. Build your home upon respect, fill your walls with love and grace. Speak the language of honor, let your kindness lead the way. Where respect is living, love will never fade away.
Like emi save pungin family.
Sapo swampela emi pundon.
Kirapi mem gen long passing sorry.
Holy man belong em.
Now walk about one time.
Long house
we own
they me stop.